Hi everyone, today I'm going to do the unboxing video of Rode USB mini microphone. I bought this microphone a few weeks ago and this is my first ever microphone and I quite like it. I use it for voiceovers and video conferencing and as a general purpose microphone. So this is the unboxing of that microphone. As you see, it comes in a really nice white color box, and this box has the Rode microphone logo on top of it, and you can see it is packed really well. Has the images in the front of the box and the back, some instructions around the content in different languages and some nice photo on the side. And if I flip it to the other side, you can see it has things like the studio quality, headphone output, USB connectivity, detachable deck stand, and the inbuilt pop filter. When you first open the microphone box, and you can see the warranty certificate, so that's the first thing that it comes out of the box. Keep that safe. And then you see the USB anti-microphones manual, which is quite descriptive and quite easy to read. On both sides there's instructions on how to get you started. As you see, it has packaged really well, so the microphone doesn't move around within the box much. And you see the small compartments. The microphone is actually inside the box. It has attached to another box inside, so you can't really pull it out from here. I was trying to do the wrong thing. And there are things inside compartments, and one of these is the high-speed 1.5 meters USB-C to USB-C cable. And if you really want to get the microphone out, you have to push it from the front, and it comes in the inside casing like that. So there's casing around the microphone. So once you take the microphone out, you can see the silica gel pad popping out of one of the compartments. And so keep these silica gels, might be useful for something else, like keep your cameras equipments dry. And then the microphone is 5.6 by 2.1 by 1.8 inches. Quite almost like a half a kilo, 585 grams, and very sturdy and feels very well built. So these cardboard compartments that comes in the casing, don't throw them, you can use for later. And these are the things that comes with the microphone box. So the small package that has the USB cable also has a small adapter for your boom arm or mic arm. That's quite useful if you want to plug into a microphone stand. The microphone itself is quite sturdy, well made, and you can literally rotate the microphone within its like a tripod thing. But if you have cable, it will be probably harder to rotate. You can plug in the USB cable. I felt a little bit hard to plug it in the first time. It needs to kind of push it a little bit harder, but once you pushed it all the way, it will just stay there, and you probably won't be removing this all the time, because once you plug it in, you keep it like that, because you don't really change the connection. As you see, once the USB cable plugged in, there's a little light comes out which tells you that the connection is ready, and you can plug your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack into the microphone. Then you can hear the sound that comes out of the microphone, which is acting as a standard audio sound. You can hear is quite well, and the quality is quite good that comes out of the microphone. You can adjust the volume of the microphone easily. As you see, the microphone is connected to a tripod base. It is magnetic and quite a strong magnet, so you can't really easily pull it out. And the connector to the tripod, at the bottom of that, it has another small adapter which that connects to the tripod base. Inside there's a rubber clip, and we felt a bit harder to kind of pull out the clip, but it's good. It's a good thing because it's sturdy. And inside that you can see the thread that you could connect this into a microphone arm or a boom arm. You may have to use the connector that comes with the microphone. So the rubber clip, when you put it back, you just have to make sure it's put it back correctly, because it need to be in a specific way to put that rubber clip back into the tripod stand. Once you put it in, it should easily secure it to the tripod base using the magnetic fields. With the magnetic attachment, microphone tilts a little bit, which is good, so it won't break accidentally if you just move around. You probably saw when I was unpacking the box, there were some cases that came with it. These cases you can use for, just secure it and then use as a pencil case or a pen case, and then you can keep things nicely around your desk. And there's a small case as well which wraps around the microphone, and again you can secure this and keep your microphone on top of it, and just put some sticky tape around it, and then it's as a stand in, like a makeshift microphone stand. This is a great mic with built-in pop filter, zero latency mode, crispy clear mic sounds, and this video is actually recorded using this mic as well, and I really like this microphone, and I'm hoping to do more reviews in future. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, also leave a comment and hit the notification button for future videos. Thank you.